The humble powerhouses. Unveiling the nutritional and culinary versatility of beans and lentils. Beans and lentils, often relegated to the back of the pantry, are nutritional powerhouses and culinary chameleons deserving of far more recognition. 1. These unassuming legumes have nourished civilizations for millennia, offering a wealth of health benefits and a remarkable range of textures and flavors. From the hearty comfort of a lentil stew to the vibrant freshness of a bean salad, these versatile ingredients can transform any meal. This comprehensive article delves into the fascinating world of beans and lentils, exploring their nutritional composition, health advantages, culinary applications, and cultural significance. A nutritional treasure trove. Beans and lentils belong to the legume family, a group of plants prized for their edible seeds. 2. Their nutritional profile is truly impressive, making them a staple in many healthy diets. Protein powerhouse. They are excellent sources of plant-based protein, crucial for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining overall health. 3. This makes them particularly valuable for vegetarians and vegans. Fiber-rich. Both beans and lentils are packed with dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health, regulates blood sugar levels, and contributes to feelings of fullness. 4. Complex carbohydrates. They provide complex carbohydrates, offering sustained energy release and avoiding the blood sugar spikes associated with simple sugars. 5. Vitamins and minerals. Beans and lentils are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, folate, potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins. 6. Iron is vital for oxygen transport, folate is crucial for cell growth, and potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Antioxidants. They contain various antioxidants, including polyphenols, which combat free radicals and protect against chronic diseases. 7. Low in fat. Naturally low in fat, particularly saturated fat, beans and lentils contribute to heart health. 8. Health benefits. A symphony of wellness. The rich nutritional profile of beans and lentils translates into a multitude of health benefits. Heart health. The high fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, and folate supports healthy blood vessel function. 9. Blood sugar control. The combination of fiber and complex carbohydrates helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk. 10. Weight management. The fiber and protein contribute to feelings of fullness, aiding in weight management by reducing calorie intake. 11. Digestive health. The high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in beans and lentils may help protect against certain types of cancer. 12. Improved iron levels. Lentils and some beans are high in iron, helping prevent iron deficiency anemia. 13. Reduced cholesterol. Soluble fiber in beans and lentils binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. 14. A culinary kaleidoscope. From humble to haute. The culinary versatility of beans and lentils is astounding. They can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes, from simple soups and stews to complex curries and salads. Soups and stews. Lentil soup, bean chili, and minestrone are classic comfort foods that showcase the hearty nature of these legumes. Salads. Black bean and corn salad, lentil salad with feta and herbs, and white bean salad with tuna are refreshing and nutritious options. 15. Curries and dals. Lentils are a staple in Indian cuisine, forming the base of flavorful dals and curries. 16. Dips and spreads. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is a popular dip, and white bean dips are a creamy and delicious alternative. 17. Burgers and patties. Black bean burgers and lentil patties are excellent vegetarian and vegan options. 18. Side dishes. Beans and lentils can be served as simple side dishes, adding protein and fiber to any meal. 19. Baking. Bean flours can be used in baking, offering gluten-free options and adding nutritional value to baked goods. 20. Mexican cuisine. Refried beans, black bean soups, and bean-filled burritos and tacos are common in Mexican cooking. 21. Mediterranean cuisine. White beans are often used in Mediterranean stews and salads. 22. Varieties and characteristics. The world of beans and lentils is incredibly diverse, with countless varieties offering unique flavors, textures, and cooking times. Lentils. Green lentils hold their shape well when cooked, making them ideal for salads and stews. 23. Red lentils cook quickly and become soft, perfect for soups and dals. 24. Brown lentils, a versatile variety with a mild, earthy flavor. 25. Black beluga lentils, small, shiny, and black, with a rich, earthy flavor. French green lentils puis have a firm texture and a nutty flavor. Beans. Black beans have a rich, earthy flavor and are commonly used in Mexican and Caribbean cuisine. 26. Kidney beans, red or white, with a firm texture and a mild flavor. Pinto beans, creamy and versatile, used in refried beans and chili. 27. Cannellini beans, white, kidney-shaped beans with a creamy texture. 28. Chickpeas garbanzo beans, used to make hummus and falafel, with a nutty flavor. Navy beans, small, white beans used in baked beans. 29. Great Northern beans, large, white beans with a mild flavor. Cultural significance. A global staple. Beans and lentils have played a crucial role in the diets of various cultures throughout history. Ancient civilizations. Evidence suggests that beans and lentils were cultivated in the Middle East and Central America thousands of years ago. Mediterranean region. Lentils were a staple food in ancient Greece and Rome. 30. Indian subcontinent. Lentils are a fundamental part of Indian cuisine, particularly in the form of dal. 31. Latin America. Beans are a staple in Latin American cuisine, used in countless dishes. 32. Africa. Beans and lentils are an important source of protein in many African countries. 33. Tips for cooking and preparation. Soaking. Soaking dried beans before cooking can reduce cooking time and improve digestibility. 34. Lentils generally don't require soaking. Rinsing. Rinse beans and lentils thoroughly before cooking to remove any debris. 35. Cooking time. Cooking times vary depending on the variety. Lentils cook relatively quickly, while beans may require longer cooking. 36. Seasoning. Beans and lentils absorb flavors well, so don't be afraid to experiment with different seasonings and herbs. Storage. Store dried beans and lentils in a cool, dry place. Cooked beans and lentils can be stored in the refrigerator for several days. 37. Addressing common concerns. Gas. Beans contain oligosaccharides, which can cause gas. 38. Soaking, rinsing, and cooking them with spices like cumin or ginger can help reduce this effect. Phytic acid. Beans and lentils contain phytic acid, which can inhibit the absorption of certain minerals. 39. Soaking and sprouting can reduce phytic acid content. 40. Conclusion. Beans and lentils are truly remarkable foods, offering a wealth of nutritional benefits, culinary versatility, and cultural significance. Their affordability and accessibility make them a valuable addition to any diet. By incorporating these humble powerhouses into your meals, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious way to support your health and well-being. From the ancient civilizations that relied on them for sustenance to the modern kitchens where they continue to inspire culinary creativity, beans and lentils stand as a testament to the enduring power of simple, wholesome food.